So today you're going to learn purely how to remove the old brake pads on the 2015 Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike. And this is one of the easiest brake pad changes on a rear caliper I've ever met, which is actually pretty cool.
You film what you like. They look amazing. Brembo. Best of the best. That's a cap. So next time round, if you leave this one in place, undo the cap, then just crack this off gently. That makes sense. Yeah, see what I did there? Pulled on it to push the piston back in. Wow, that's a lot more material on the Brembos.
So it's really nice that you can leave the caliper in place and not have to remove it completely. That's a big help. Thanks for watching. I think I need more coffee.